Good morning, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Okay, listen. So, you guys want to put luxury vinyl flooring in. That's fine. I get it. Everybody's doing it. And I've been ranting and raving about this stuff and talking about it for a long time now. And listen, don't be afraid of it. It can be done, and it can be done with success. And it just has to be done properly. And when you're out there shopping, you're looking at buying these products and you're talking to salespeople, they just don't know, right? They want to make a sale. But it doesn't matter if you buy the luxury vinyl floors, if you buy laminate floors, or if you buy hardwood or engineered floors, they've got to be prepped the same. They have the same tolerances. So let me just explain something to you. Your subfloor substrate has to be super flat. We get that, you nail that, you have the proper expansion gaps, and you mitigate for moisture. That's it. You're going to have success, okay? So let's start with that. Give me a call. I'll come out. I'll assess everything. We'll make sure it's done right. You're going to spend some money on the prep, okay? That's what's up. There's no getting around that. You nail that. You spend a little bit extra money on that prep and you mitigate moisture, it's going to work and you're going to have success, okay? So that's reality. Anyways, give me a call. Jason, California Flooring, 949-355-3501. Have a great day.